Welcome to an exploration of one of the most dynamic forces shaping modern business, the transformative role of technology in operations management. In today's rapidly evolving global landscape, technology is no longer just a tool, it is an indispensable partner in driving efficiency and innovation. It fundamentally reshapes how organizations design, produce, and deliver their goods and services. This technological integration has led to significant improvements across the board. We see enhanced efficiency, remarkable gains in productivity, and a substantial boost in overall competitiveness for businesses that embrace these advancements. Technology empowers operations managers to optimize complex processes, moving beyond traditional methods to achieve unprecedented levels of performance. It enables data-driven decision-making, providing insights that were once unimaginable and allowing for more strategic and informed choices. One of the most impactful areas where technology has made its mark is automation. Automation refers to the use of control systems and information technologies to reduce the need for human work in the production of goods and services. It is a cornerstone of modern operational excellence. Technologies such as robotic process automation, or RPA, are revolutionizing administrative tasks by automating repetitive, rule-based processes. Industrial robots, on the other hand, are transforming physical operations in manufacturing and warehousing. These sophisticated machines perform tasks with precision and speed far exceeding human capabilities. The applications of automation are vast and varied. In manufacturing, robots handle assembly, welding, and quality control with consistent accuracy. Warehousing operations benefit from automated guided vehicles and robotic picking systems, significantly speeding up order fulfillment. Even customer service is being enhanced through chatbots and AI-powered virtual assistants, providing instant support and resolving common queries. The benefits of automation are compelling. It dramatically reduces labor costs by taking over routine and hazardous tasks, allowing human employees to focus on more complex and creative work. Automation minimizes errors, leading to higher quality products and services and reducing waste. It also accelerates production cycles, enabling businesses to bring products to market faster and respond quickly to demand fluctuations. Furthermore, automation allows for greater flexibility in production lines. Systems can be reprogrammed to adapt to new product designs or changing specifications with minimal downtime. This adaptability is crucial for quick adaptation to changing demands and market fluctuations, ensuring businesses remain agile and competitive. Another crucial aspect of technology's role is data analytics and business intelligence. In an age of information overload, the ability to collect, process, and interpret vast amounts of data is a significant competitive advantage. These technologies provide the insights needed to make informed strategic and tactical decisions. Big data analytics involves examining large and varied datasets to uncover hidden patterns, unknown correlations, market trends, and customer preferences. Machine learning, a subset of artificial intelligence, enables systems to learn from data, identify patterns, and make decisions with minimal human intervention. Predictive modeling uses statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms to forecast future outcomes based on historical data. Together, these technologies provide valuable insights into various supply chain aspects. They offer a comprehensive view of inventory levels, supplier performance, and logistics efficiency. This deep understanding allows operations managers to identify bottlenecks and areas for improvement. Specifically, these tools are invaluable for optimizing inventory management. They help determine optimal stock levels, reducing carrying costs while preventing stockouts. They also significantly enhance demand forecasting accuracy, allowing businesses to anticipate customer needs more precisely and adjust production accordingly. This capability facilitates proactive decision-making, moving away from reactive problem-solving. Operations managers can foresee potential issues and implement preventative measures before they escalate. It also optimizes resource allocation, ensuring that materials, labor, and equipment are utilized in the most efficient way possible. This strategic allocation minimizes waste across all operational processes, contributing to both cost savings and environmental sustainability. A prime example of this is predictive maintenance. Powered by sensors embedded in machinery and sophisticated data analysis, predictive maintenance systems monitor equipment health in real time. They anticipate equipment failures before they occur, scheduling maintenance proactively rather than reactively. This approach significantly reduces unexpected downtime, which can be costly and disruptive. It also lowers overall maintenance costs by allowing for targeted repairs rather than expensive emergency fixes. Technology has also profoundly revolutionized the supply chain management domain. Modern supply chains are complex global networks, and technology is essential for their efficient coordination and optimization. It provides the visibility and control necessary to manage these intricate systems effectively. Enterprise Resource Planning, or ERP, systems are central to this transformation. These integrated software suites manage all core business processes, from finance and human resources to manufacturing and supply chain. ERP systems integrate various departments, breaking down silos and ensuring that information flows seamlessly across the organization. They provide a holistic view of the entire supply chain, enabling better coordination and decision-making. Cloud-based platforms have further enhanced supply chain capabilities. These platforms host applications and data on remote servers, accessible from anywhere with an internet connection. They facilitate seamless communication and collaboration with suppliers, distributors, and customers, regardless of their geographical location. This connectivity improves responsiveness and strengthens relationships across the supply chain. Blockchain technology is emerging as a powerful tool for supply chain transparency and security. It is a decentralized, distributed ledger that records transactions across many computers. This technology enhances transparency by creating an immutable record of every transaction and movement of goods. It improves traceability, allowing businesses to track products from their origin to the end consumer with unprecedented detail. Blockchain also ensures product authenticity, making it much harder for counterfeit goods to enter the supply chain. This significantly reduces the risk of counterfeiting, protecting brand reputation and consumer safety. Its secure and verifiable nature builds trust among all participants in the supply chain. E-commerce and digital platforms have significantly impacted operations, fundamentally changing how businesses interact with customers and manage their sales channels. The rise of online shopping has necessitated a complete rethinking of logistics and fulfillment strategies. These platforms have opened up new avenues for growth and customer engagement. For businesses, e-commerce platforms offer the ability to reach a wider customer base, transcending geographical limitations. They allow for personalized offerings, tailoring product recommendations and marketing messages based on individual customer preferences and past behavior. This personalization enhances the customer experience and drives sales. Digital platforms also streamline order fulfillment processes, from order placement to delivery. Integrated systems ensure that orders are processed quickly and accurately. This efficiency is critical in meeting customer expectations for fast and reliable delivery. To support these digital sales channels, advanced logistics optimization technologies are indispensable. Warehouse management systems, or WMS, optimize all aspects of warehouse operations, including inventory tracking, picking, packing, and shipping. They ensure efficient use of space and labor within the warehouse. Transportation management systems, or TMS, optimize the planning, execution, and optimization of physical goods movement. They manage freight, track shipments, and select the most cost-effective and efficient routes. Together, WMS and TMS ensure timely and efficient delivery, which is a cornerstone of customer satisfaction in the e-commerce era. These systems are vital for managing the complexities of last-mile delivery and global shipping. While the benefits of technology in operations management are undeniable, its implementation is not without challenges. Organizations must carefully consider these hurdles to ensure successful integration and maximize return on investment. Addressing these challenges proactively is key to leveraging technology effectively. One significant challenge is the requirement for substantial upfront investment. Implementing new technologies, whether it's an ERP system, industrial robots, or advanced analytics platforms, often involves considerable capital expenditure. This investment includes not only the cost of the technology itself but also infrastructure upgrades, software licenses, and implementation services. Businesses must carefully evaluate the potential return on investment and secure adequate funding. Another concern is the potential for job displacement. As automation and AI take over routine and repetitive tasks, there can be a reduction in the need for certain types of human labor. This raises ethical considerations and necessitates strategies for workforce retraining and upskilling. Organizations must manage this transition thoughtfully, focusing on creating new roles that leverage human creativity and problem-solving skills. The importance of cybersecurity cannot be overstated in an increasingly digital operational environment. As more processes become digitized and interconnected, the risk of cyber threats, data breaches, and system vulnerabilities increases. Protecting sensitive operational data, intellectual property, and customer information is paramount. Robust cybersecurity measures, including encryption, access controls, and regular audits, are essential to safeguard operations. Finally, there is a critical need for a skilled workforce. New technologies require employees who are capable of managing these systems, understanding their outputs, and utilizing them effectively. This often means investing in comprehensive training programs for existing staff and recruiting new talent with specialized technical skills. A lack of skilled personnel can hinder the successful adoption and optimization of advanced operational technologies. In conclusion, technology is far more than just an optional add-on in the realm of operations management. It is a core component, an essential driver of modern business success. Its strategic integration is no longer a luxury but a necessity for any organization aiming to thrive in today's competitive landscape. The strategic implementation of technology leads directly to a significant competitive advantage. This advantage is realized through improved efficiency, allowing businesses to do more with less. It boosts productivity, enabling higher output and faster delivery. Ultimately, it enhances customer satisfaction by providing better products, faster service, and more personalized experiences. Embracing technology strategically is the pathway to operational excellence and sustained growth.